Bonjour, mes amis. Je m'appelle Aditi Pandey. So, I'm your French mentor, and today we are gonna study les exercises of leçon with ma famille. So, as you studied in the chapter, now it is practice time. So, first question we have is conjuguer les verbes suivants. Means conjugate the following verbs. First verb we have is regarder, which means to see. Habiter means to live. Écouter means to listen. Être is to be. I mean, you have done this. Avoir means to have. Aller means to go. So basically, from all the verbs given here, you have done aller, avoir, être, and even er ending verbs. So I'll do one example of er ending, which is this, and after that all the others you will do yourself. So let me start. Firstly, what was the rule? Write all the pronoms sujets here. Je, tu, il, slash L. Here there's less box, so we will write in one. Nous, vous, il, elle. Now write écoute, like cut the er. Écoute, écoute, écoute. Écoute. Here, write it. It is so hard writing here. Écoute. Don't forget the oxon. Écoute. Okay. So now write the endings. E, es, e, ons, ez, ent, right? And one thing, just cut the e here and add an apostrophe. So it would be j'écoute, tu écoutes, elle écoute, nous écoutons, vous écoutez, elle écoute. So with this, others you will do them yourself because they're easy and you have already done them. So this is your homework. I did one for you. Next, others are to be done by you yourself. Next we have is conjuguer les verbes entre parentheses. Means conjugate the verbs in bracket. Means you have to conjugate the verbs given here in bracket according to the situation given here in the sentences. Like it is je or foot. Je dash or foot means I play and it is jouer means I play football, and play in French would be joue. Je joue au foot. I play football. Il aime dash les fleurs. I dash the flower. So here we will write aim. Aim means to like. Aime means to like. And we will write il aim. So it would be AIME. Aim. Mon père dash la télé. My father dash the television. Watches, and it is regarder means to watch. So we will conjugate this. So it is my father. So the conjugation which is used for il would be used here, which is regard. GARDE. Regard. Ton frère écoutait dash de la musique. Your brother dash the music. So listens. So here it would be écoute. Écoute is this. Écoute. Just right now you did it, right? Écoute. Sa sœur dash bien means her sister dash well, sings well, and it is chante, which means to sing. So it would be, so let me write here, it would be chante. Sa sœur chante bien, sings well. Okay? Tu dash aller dash au restaurant. You dash the restaurant. So you go to the restaurant. Okay, so here it would be tu vas. Next we have here is nous avoir un beau cadeau. We have a good gift. Okay, so we will write here avoir, so it would be nous allons. Okay, I will write here nous allons un beau cadeau. We have a good gift. Let us move next. Il déteste les fruits means he dash the fruits, and deteste means to hate. So here we will write detest. I am writing here detest. Okay, which means he hates. It's not he, actually it's they hate the fruits. L dash gentil. Gentil means gentle, and here it is she. So she is gentle, and actually it's not she, it's they. So they are gentle. Elles sont gentilles. Next we have is vous habitez dash à Paris. You dash in Paris live, and it is habiter, so we will conjugate it. Vous habitez, it is ez. Vous habitez à Paris. Next we have is method of feminine means change to feminine. Now let us start. Le père est beau, so it would be la mère est belle. It is the father is handsome, the mother is beautiful. L'homme aime chanter, the man likes to sing. So it is l'homme, so we will write la femme. La femme means the lady likes to sing. La femme, and the verb will remain the same. Mon frère regarde la télé. My brother watches the television. So ma sœur, one second, ma sœur regarde la télé. Sir, it would be the same. La fille c'est grand. The son is tall, so it would be la fille est grande. It would be grande because it is used for a girl, right? Mon ami est petit. My friend is short. So here it would be mon ami because it is ami which is starting from a vowel. It would be the same. Mon ami est petite. It is petite because it is about a girl. My friend is short. This is for female friend. This is for male friend. Le grand-père écoute la musique. The grandfather listens to the music. La grand-mère écoute la musique. It would be the same here. Okay, so with this we are done with this question. Let's move to the next part. Compléter avec les adjective possessive. So in this one you have to fill the possessive adjectives in the blanks with the reference given here. Like it is given à moi. These are just the pronos sujet to know which one you are gonna use here. It is à moi means to me. So you have to tell what your friend is to you. Like what you will use here. Mon, ma, me, ton, ta, te, like this. Okay, à moi to me. So you would use here mon because it is me and it starts with a. Next we have is dash parents. Parents means parents, and parents is a plural word, so we will use here mes parents. Next we have is à toi means to you. So what is your father to you? Ton parent, ton père means your father. Ton père because he is male, so it is ton. Sir, sir means sister, which is female, so it would be ta sir, your sister. À lui, lui means to them. So what is brother to them? To them we would use here son frère, Actually, it's not to them, it is to him. Sorry, it is to him. So him, so here it is frère. So frère is male, so we would use son frère, means his brother. Livre, it is plural, so we would use it say livre. Okay. L, to her, to her. So it is fils, fils means son, so it would be son fils. And fee means daughter, so it would be Safi, Safi. Grand-père, grandfather. So what would be a grandfather? Anu. Anu means to us. To us, what is grandfather? Notre, our. Our grandfather. And enfant means kids. So notre, no, sorry, they're plural, so our kids. Vous, vous means to you, it is for plural or for elders. So ami, so ami would be votre ami, means your friends. Étudiant, this is plural, so vos étudiants. It is to him, but in plural to them. So fee is also again daughter, so it would be, oh sorry, so it would be fee would be leur fille, means their daughter. Leur, their. And frère it is plural, so it would be leur, again with an s. Next we have is al, to them, but feminine, mère. So mother would be their mother, and in French it would be leur, because it is the same. Fille, it is plural again, so we would use here leur again, but with an s. And with this question is also done. Next we have compléter avec les adjective possessive, means complete with these possessive adjectives. Je regarde des photos, I watch dash photos, I watch my photos. So it would be mes, because photos it is plural, mes photos. Next we have is tu aim dash ami, means you like dash friend, you like your friend, so it would be ton ami. Tu aim ton ami. Next we have is elle parle à dash père, means she speaks to dash father, she speaks to her father, so it would be son père. Okay, because we see the gender here of the father, not her. Okay. Nous rencontrons dash amis, means we meet dash friends, we meet our friends, so it would be notre ami. Here it would be notre. Next we have is ami va en Inde, means friend go to India. Whose friend? My friend. So mon ami va en Inde. Maison est belle, means house is beautiful. Whose house is beautiful? Ma maison, because maison is feminine. Ils ont dash livre, he has or they have dash books, they have leur livre, their books. Vous avez dash passeport, means you have dash passport, you have your passport. Votre, vous avez votre passeport. Next we have is corriger la faute, means correct the mistake. So there are some mistakes made in the verbs given here. So we have to write the correct form of the verbs. So il aime les fleurs, he likes the flowers. So here aim is wrong, because it is he, it would be aim, aime, not s, because es is used with you, not il. Next, nous regarder la télévision, means we watch the television. Now it is regarder, which is wrong, because regarder is used with vous, not nous. With nous it is written regardons, regardons. In the last it is ons. Mon frère habite à Paris, my brother lives in Paris. Now again, my brother is singular, and habite, this one is used with the plural, so it would be only e here, habite. Next we have is wo you awake votre ami. You play with your friend. So now again you is wrong. This is used with you, not who. With who it is jouer. You, jouer, ez. Elle parle en français. She speaks in French. Again, she is in singular, so it should be parle, like this, only e, not ent. Le grand-père aime le fruit. Now again, grandfather is singular, and here aim, which is es, is used with you and not ill. And grandfather is a masculine one, so it would be aim, only e. That's it. So now this is also done. Now this is the last part. Décrivez votre famille. So this one is your homework. As you read the paragraph in the first page, just you have to write your family member's name and age and their, likes in the first page. You can even add your parents dislikes too. So this one's answer would be posted by me on the YouTube's post section. Even earlier I put the declive votre mère père and yourself in that also. So again this would be there only because writing it here would be messy. Okay, so with this your lesson has ended. So till then, bye bye.